going on YouTube? I am back with another video, and you can see we're getting the car ready to hit the track, and I'm making this video because I am testing the Turo AZ850 DRs on my 800 wheel horsepower Ctsv. Now, I had ran this car a few times at Mooresville already, but I'm testing different launches, different RPMs, different tire pressures, all that good stuff. That way I can get this thing dialed in for what was supposed to be street car bragging rights, but is now gonna be street car takeover here in Charlotte at Concord. So first things first, we're gonna get the tire pressure down. Last week I ran 18, I'm gonna run 18 again and then just switch up based on the DA temperature and what the track temperature is. I'm gonna switch up a few things. So let's get this dialed in right now and let's go. So you guys can see, I'm not lying to you, I'm running 18. And it'll slowly go down. But we got these things down to 18. Yes, I have ran them plenty already. But shout out to VFC Performance for the wheels, and then shout out to Turo for sending me this drag radial, because I was in the market for a while. And I've been a Mickey Thompson guy, but now I'm a true Turo guy because these things have now hooked and booked. But again, we're getting the car ready. Got some ice going, letting it cool off as quick as it can. Now everybody's like, well, why don't you have your hood all the way up? Well, one, it's 20 miles an hour winds right now. And this hood is actually fully carbon fiber, so it blows down very, very quickly and fast. So I'm gonna have it like this for a little while until I get something like a hood prop that'll keep it open. But let's get to the racing. Got about an hour, so the car's gonna cool down, and then we'll hit the track as soon as a few people get here. Yesterday did not go as planned, so we're on the way to the shop. We're gonna let this thing warm up. I sound upset. I've been racing for like the past 3 weeks, testing these tires and trying to find out all the info so I can respond back to Turo and give them my input, which I'll do at the end of this video. But something was wrong with the car. It did not like burnouts. It didn't like going down it didn't like anything. So we're gonna go get that checked out. I'll talk about the tires when we get there, but let's go. I got videos of 360. I'm all the way in the water. But like you saw how it acted the first time? Yeah. That's what it was doing. See it has been a long day, you guys. It's 4 o'clock. I'm still here. It's a Friday, but we think we found what is wrong. It's wild how everything is linked. Oh, the pollen is killing me, you guys. It's crazy how everything is linked. And I was like, okay, it can't be the tires. The tires have responded to me well. What's going on? The tires have been great, actually, and have exceeded my expectations even beyond Mickey Thompson's. But we think we found it. At first, we were really worried that I had a rod knock or a lifter at first. Then we found out it was under load. So then we saw that it had to be a rod. So we tested that. And what we found is at load or under load, the high pressure fuel pump has failed. So it's going to save me a lot of money, you guys. So shout out to that. So once it's fixed, we'll then go out and really test these cars. But you guys got to see a burnout and saw kind of the problem. If you understand cars, it wasn't enough fuel, which means it wasn't kicking in or doing anything. And then the second one, there's a very, very loud bang at the end. So yeah, shout out to that, you guys. Make sure you buy your AZ 850 DR tires, man. The best tires in the game. I'll make another video about what's going on with the car. And then of course, when it gets fixed. So shout out to Mass Acceleration. Shout out to G for making my day, because I just knew I was about to have a very large bill with a rebuild of an engine. So either way, let me know what you think. We're out.